What's up guys, Keysy back with another video, and today we're going to be unboxing a couple items that we got from Supreme week 8, I believe. I always get these weeks mixed up, but yeah, let's get right into these packages because I got them about like a couple of days ago or a week ago, and I just kind of excited to unbox these for you guys. So yeah, let's get straight into it. But before we do that, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, like the video, and comment what's your favorite item of today's video. You know, it's really gonna help me out a lot, and I really appreciate you guys, so thank you. Alright, so I finally have a knife, a proper knife right here. It doesn't eject by itself. I have to open it up really slow, but yeah, we have two packages right here. Maybe we should do some B-roll of this knife real quick, because why not? So yeah, I have two packages right here. One's really heavy and the other one's kind of light. I might know what the light one is, but let's open that one first, just because it does feel like it has the least inside of it. Always cut away from you guys, please. Never. Oh, I missed. Never. Alright, you know whatever. I'm not even gonna say because I can't even do it myself. So, there's a bunch of paper right there. Supreme stickers right here. Ones that we kind of already have except that one in the middle with all, I don't know what that is, but I'll show it at the end. More paper, and do you guys see how big this box is right here? Like how empty, like for this one item right here, the Supreme burner phone. I was really excited to get it because this is one of Supreme's this is probably gonna be one of Supreme's most iconic accessories that they did release right here, and it's the red one. They did have a black one. I went for the red one first. I unfortunately did luck out on the black one because I did want to get two. But yeah, we have the red one right here. It has 3G high-speed data, 2.4 display, up to 32 gigabytes. With a micro SD. This really brings someone back to like 2006 or something crazy. But yeah, look, have it right here, the Supreme burner phone right here. This actually, it feels so fake. Like it feels like I'm not even gonna be able to use it. But I have seen like you could just put an SD card into this and then you can use it like that. You have Supreme on the back. You know, when you make the calls, everybody will know who you rep out here in these streets. So yeah, you just have this burner phone right here. I'm not keeping this for myself, honestly, and I'll probably most likely just sell it if I don't keep it for myself. But just in the bag, the box is just, it has a charger right here. It's probably like a USB-C or something like that in there. But yeah, the Supreme burner phone is one of those accessories that is just gonna go down in history. Like, wow, Supreme really released that. In my opinion anyway. Let's go. Let's open the heavier set. I forgot what I ordered, to be honest with you guys, but yeah, so I'm gonna be just as surprised as you. Oh my god. I'm still figuring out how to use this knife. You know, I don't wanna cut nobody or myself on accident. So yeah, let's get right into it. Right here, you got more paper right here. You got Supreme sticker right there that reads on the back. Sunday morning and waiting for the man. I'm not gonna read all that. It's too much. Classic Box logo. Another sticker right here. I haven't seen this one. The velvet something. Says something. Then we got more Supreme stickers right here. There you go. Same as earlier. First item we have is the Supreme Sequin Viper hoodie. This is so fire. I loved it once I saw it. I wanted it for myself, but unfortunately I grabbed the wrong size. I put medium, but it didn't change it. I hate Supreme does that. You change the size, but then it doesn't change it. So yeah, I just got a small right here. I wanted a medium for myself, but you have this Supreme right here with the Viper as an S. This just looks absolutely insane with this, like, freaking, I don't even know what this stuff is, but it just feels crazy. And if you probably wash it, to be honest, this will all probably come off. There's actually a dope piece, and in person it's even better. Like this orange, so nice, so this is just a perfect orange that they chose for this. And then just this, the execution they did on this is absolutely insane. It looks crazy. But yeah, I'm gonna be selling this one because it is a size small and it does not fit me. So the next thing we have right here is just this little Supreme pouch right here. I just added it to the cart just so I can have something open when I was checking stuff out. But yeah, we just have this, you know, this was from week 1. Just got in this like teal colorway. I don't know what I'm gonna store in here. I honestly thought this was a lot bigger. But yeah, unfortunately it's this small. But yeah, I'm just keeping this one just to probably keep my camera stuff in here, a bunch of little accessories I always carry around with me. And then last but not least, this is definitely gonna be a personal for me. It is, if I can open it, it's gonna be alright, that's the, hold it up, and it's gonna be this Supreme lantern right here. This is, like I said, I collect so many Supreme accessories, but this one just is probably my most favorite one. This one just beats the cake on all of them. It says Supreme right there, and then Supreme on this side as well. This look at that, like that just looks insane. Like if you have multiple of these, you could probably recreate like Chinatown or something all around. But yeah, I'm definitely putting this right in the center of my room, just hanging in there. If it looks good in the center of the room, if not, I'll just have it somewhere else. But yeah, this absolutely just looks insane to me, and I love this item. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this unboxing. I didn't get a lot, but I got some hype pieces. I do have to clean up this entire mess that I did right here with all this paper, unnecessary paper that they filled the boxes with. This was a good unboxing, and I loved all these items. Unfortunately, that hoodie is not my size, so I'm not gonna be keeping it. So if you guys did enjoy this video, you know, just make sure to like, comment, subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace. See you in the next video. Peace. I'm kind of excited to... So let's go back to the side real quick. It's hot as hell. I just came back from the gym.